way to celebrate Independence Day than a nice street sesh. So we're gonna link up with Brandon right now with his drift vet. We're gonna go to a couple spots, see what we get into. So y'all tag along, let's go get into it. All right, I haven't driven since the last Clutch Kickers comp, so we'll see how this goes. Freedom drift style. Alright guys, so I know today's video is short. I was pressed for time today, but Brandon and I had a blast nonetheless. A huge thank you to everyone who watches my videos and supports what we do. If you haven't yet, go check out freedomdrift.com, grab you some Freedom Drift merch. It helps more than you guys know, helps grow the program, and it also helps us provide more content for you guys. So with that being said, thank you guys for watching today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.